Good morning, students. Sai Ram. How was your vacation? Did you completed your projects? I hope you all have completed. Today we are going to do Active English, Chapter 2. And you all know we are going to do fun in Active English. Children, can you see these two images on the screen? Can you find out any difference in both the images? They both are same or they both are different? I think they both are same. There is no difference between them. These two images, oh, they both are same. Again, these two images are same or different. Do you know what is different? It means they are not same. These two images are same. Can you see this one image and many balls inside the image? Now, all the faces inside the balls are same? No, all the faces are different. One is sad, one is happy, one is angry, one is upset, right? So, all the faces are different. Children, can you see the images on the screen? There are 4 images. Now, number 1 is wearing specs and even number 4. So, both the images are same. 1 and 4 are same. And number 3 and number 2 both are same. Now, if I say number 1 and number 2 is same, no, they both are different. Number 3 and number 2 are same, but number 3 and number 4 are different. So, how I'm going to say it? Number 1 is the same as number 4 and number 3 is the same as number 2. Now, if I want to say different, if I want to use different, how I'm going to use it? Number 1 is different from number 2 and number 3 is different from number 4. Now again, okay, see number 1. Where is number 1 again? The same face is repeating in number 5. So number 1 is the same as number 5. Now another one. Number 2 is the same as number 3. Another one. Number 4 is the same as number 6. Now if I want to use different, how I'm going to use it? Okay, number 1 is different from, let's take any number which is different. Number 1 is different from number 2. Number 3 is different from number 4. And number number 5 is different from number 6. Now let's take the shapes to use same and different. Now you have to answer me. Okay? Come on. Now, number 1. Number 1 is circle. And number 5 is also a circle. So both are same. So number 1 is the same as number 5. Now again, which two pictures are same? Which two images are same? Which two shapes are same? Number 4 is the same as number 6. Now the next one. Yes, here 7 and 8 are same. Both the shapes are same. Triangle number 7 is the same as number 8. Okay, we'll repeat it. Now you can do one thing. You can take out your notebook. You can draw these shapes. You can write the numbers on it and we can repeat. Okay? Okay. So you have to write 5 sentences using the same and as 3 sentences using different from. So you have to write 5 sentences or you can write 6 sentences. 3 sentences of the same as and 3 sentences you have to use writing different from. So here, so number 1 is the same as number 5. Have you all drawn the shapes and have you all written the numbers on it? Okay. So number 1 is the same as number 5. Now what is the next picture? Next shape. Both the shapes are, it should be same. Number 4 is the same as number 6. Yes. And what about the triangles? 2 triangles? Yes. Number 7 is the same as number 8. Very good. Now we are going to write about the sentences using different from. Number 2 is different from number 6. Now number 2 is different from number 6. Why? Because both the shapes are not same. Number 3 is different from number 7. And number 4 is different from number 8. Right? Now we are going to play a game. Which game? A word building game. Now children, you have to tell me the first letter of the picture. And after telling me the first letter of the picture, a word is going to form. Okay, let's start. Now, which is the first picture? You can see this picture, first one on your left hand side, first picture. This picture is of ear. So, what are you going to write it over here? First letter, E. Second one, apple. So A for apple. The third one is very good, glass. And the fourth one, lion. And the last one, egg. Now, which word is formed? E-A-G-L-E. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Next one. Now, which is the first image? You have to name it and you have to tell me the first letter of that picture. Now, the first picture is about snake. So, the first letter of snake is S. And the second one is cap. And the third one is, yes, roof. And the fourth one is eye. And the last one is window. So, W. So, S-C-R-E-W. Screw. Screw. Next one. The first picture. Now you have to tell me the first letter of the picture. You know, right? So the first picture is of face. F for face. And the second one, O. Orange. O for orange. And the third one, radio. So radio starts from R. Radio. And the fourth one is train. T. Okay. Now a word is formed. What is that word now? F-O-R-T. Fort. F-O-R-T. Fort. Fort. Now let's start our activity. Now this work I'm not going to do. You have to do, and I'm not going to help you. Okay? Now take your book and start writing. I'll give you time, don't worry. Now write the first letter of the first picture. What is that? Yes, very good. I'm not going to tell you. Second one. First letter of the picture. What is that? Yes, very good. And the third one. First letter of the picture. Yes, very good. Have you all written? Yes. So which is that word? Very good. The word is leg. L for lion, E for egg, G for glass. L-E-G, leg. Good work. Now again, first letter, again. Yes, very good. Again, now the second one, first letter of the second picture. Very good. Now again, third picture, first letter of the third picture. Very good. Now fourth picture, first letter of fourth picture. I'm not going to tell you. Yes. So, what is the word now? Yes, very good. The word is so. S for snake, O for orange, A for apple, and P for parrot. So, now activity 2. Now, if I say same, you have to shake your head. And if I say, if the faces are different, you have to blink your eyes. If the faces are same, you have to shake your head. Okay, fine. Okay, now number 1 is the same as number 4. They both are same? Yes. Number 1 is same as number 2. No, they are not same. They are different. So, now they are different. So, what do you have to do? You have to blink your eyes. Okay. So, what I'm going to say here, number 1 is different from number 2. So, you have to blink your eyes. Okay. Now again, number 3 is the same as number 2. You don't have to blink eyes. Okay. So, you have to shake your head. Yes, they are same. Now again, number 3 is different from number 4. They are different. Okay. Enjoy. Right. Now you all know that I have given you home assignment for this chapter and you have to submit online. Thank you.